Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a message from both sides permanently on Instagram. So if you've ever sent something by mistake, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap the message icon at the bottom to go to your chats. Next, open the conversation that has the message you want to delete. Scroll to the message, then tap and hold on it. You'll see an option that says Unsend. Tap Unsend and confirm your choice. Once you do that, the message will disappear instantly from both your chat and the other person's chat, like it was never sent. And that's it. While Instagram doesn't have a Delete for Everyone button for everything, unsending messages is the fastest way to fix mistakes and keep your chats clean. For more quick Instagram tips like this, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.